Hello, brothers and sisters, lovers of justice all over the world. God, I bring greetings from the Most High God to you all at this junction. This is me, your brother Ige, MC Talkless, Son of the Universe. The OATD Justice TV YouTube channel. Here we go. America will come. My brothers and sisters, now wait till they see for the live this one, so that we go bring the English down some more, so that our papa and mama we they go sabi waiting we want knock this very hour. As Baba God, they give us life and they give us happiness. Say some people forget them they say na then superior pass. This one a supremacy. Now waiting the whole world go condemn. Because it's not done in anywhere. But they think say now only for our Africa country, now all this kind injustice for they happen. But we don't know say in the whole world it dey happen. But most especially America won't, it don't too much. And the thing where can they pay me pass, wait till we can they see on social media say nah so black, now they can they key. For Europe country, they're not too much, they kill like that too. For me, I don't know for you. Because everybody getting own. PH, we into the reason. Europe country, they're not just they carry, just they keep people like that. Except if we go do waiting the past them, where. Even before they even say they won't do, and people say they go checkmate, they go do one or two things. They're not just they carry, just they take life like that. But why can't be say, oh, great America? We be say na there na Christianity day. Na there na we come see say man, the way they take the unleash, the way the police we did there, when they take the keep black. My brother and sister now say make I bring this matter come today. For me, I dey send this message to the President of America. Make it rise, make it take action. If he knows, say yes, now him be real justice man, say him a real leader. I say they take, because so kind thing happen a few months ago. When some Arab country, when you go unleash on them, when you take their life because they say all those want the key. But now, for your own house now, your police, your government, that they take life anyhow. This is injustice. I say rest in peace. All our black brothers all over the world who have one or two ways involved in this kind of attitude. But to the world, I condemn it. My platform condemn it. There's a justice show. It's not done that way. Everybody have to live as one. There's a one love keep us together. The other day, the President of the United States, Donald J. Trump, come outside. And they talk about Christianity, they talk about love. But they suppose, as at now, maybe they don't practice that love. We don't say differences there, the black and the white race. Sorry, my brothers and sisters, people are interrupting my video. You understand? It's not done that way, man, my brothers and sisters. Stop interrupting my video. I'll get back to you when I'm done with this live video. You can join me. You understand? All these are the kind of things we will talk. Differences there, black and white. But more remember, saying only one God, and He creates us. Only one papa, and only one mama, and He give birth to everybody. Forget say the color. I mean, don't know why God can't create her like this. And the question with me, I see the ask inside me, they ask about God like this. Say why you can't create some people dark color, you can't create some people bright color. And those one with the bright color now, they can't use their supremacy on top those one we get dark color. But more consider saying now one papa and one mama and I will come outside. According to the Bible. Say now Adam and Eve, now he get us. Now Jesus Christ, now he get us after God. What will they kill ourselves for? We are not going to achieve anything by killing ourselves. Rather, we will come together and embrace peace and love. Me, I want to use this platform, send message, go give Donald J. Trump. Not be only to condemn the act, not be only to arrest those people. But make the parliament from that country, make all of them put it together, make they put them into law. Say no cops, no policemen, no even a security man will take a single life. I'm brother Bible say, no, they kill them, we will they put them for jail. People with they violate law, now they put them for jail. But why all these deaths, most especially the black race? My brothers and sisters, it is going to be a very short one. But this is my own opinion. I say, rest in peace, my brother, Greg. Rest in peace. Your vengeance, Baba God will fight the vengeance for you. But there is nothing we can do. Rather, we will from here send a message to the authority in the whole world, the people who they control the world. May they try. We'll come together as one brothers and sisters. God bless you for coming in. I bear me to share. You understand? This message now for Donald J. Trump for America. May put a into law, so no police, no soldier, no Air Force, no one will take so again. If they violate the law of the country, then the law will take his own power on them. If they will go to jail, they will go to jail. If they don't want to go to jail, if the law found them guilty, they go to it by taking soul. Because you and I not create that soul. The best way to create that soul, they one place, they take soul the way we take soul for this world. It's our time. We take the differences out of us and then bring peace and love. Together we stand, divided we are four. My motto is love, is justice. It's justice. God bless you, my brother. Please help me to share it out. Don't fail to press the like button and leave your comment below and let me see what is your take over this issue. You understand? The Europe country, not they carry just they kill like that. We have to be very sincere. Let's call the speed, right? Now the Euro country now we do so. And God will bless all the good leaders in the whole world. I'm not here to judge anybody, but this is my own fact and this is my own take of it. The Europe not just a carry, just a kill like that. The way we America take the kill the black. It's not done. It's not done anywhere. It's not done anywhere. When I continue watching the video, I discovered that for me, before they start, videoing it, we don't know what must have happened, what must have front. But the moment they started videoing that scene, the one we saw on net, I believe that man do not commit any crime or neither to even fight with them. I mean, you bring him down, you uncuff him, then you take him away. If he pleases to go to station, you take him to your station. If he did not, you take him to court. Whatever way he must have violated the law, then let the justice preside on him by taking a life. I will stand for 1 minute for him as a rest in peace. I will remain silent as a rest in peace for him. May gentle soul rest in the bosom of the Most High God. And I also want to use this opportunity, this media, to send a message to the family that God will grant your heart to bear this lost one. We know it's very painful. The whole world is against this, barbaric act of those policemen. Not by bringing those people out or by them facing. The justice is, are they going to be executed the way that man passed away? That is what we are going to ask ourselves. Are they going to kill those policemen who killed that man? Are they going to kill them? But for me, I don't urge to kill. Because no one is born to take a life. Because the life was not created by him. But let this sound as a warning to other, enforcement agencies in the whole world. That don't take life. Because you are not the one that created that life. You don't have the power to execute a life. You don't have the power to take a life. If you violated the country, if you violate the law of your country, then let the justice prevail on him or her by taking life. It's very touching. The black don't take whites the way things like these are happening. We love everybody. We love unitement. God bless you, my brother. God bless you. God bless you. Mr. Modi, God bless you. Please help me to share this broadcast out. You understand? The black race love everybody. The black race, love associate. We love to unite together. we love promoting love and peace. We don't take souls, we don't take life. We know it happened in our country because why? The mentality of our people there, it has been, our leader has created more problem into their upstairs, their PH. That is the reason why they are doing all these things. But if they are out of their country to the Western country, I believe they don't take souls. They are hustling, they are fighting for what they will become. And this one is going to go for all the black race in the whole Western world. That they spy your citizenship anywhere you are. It does not guarantee you. Like the people you met or the people who host the country. If your passport, if your degree, if your years you spend in the Western world guarantee you a protection like the way they are, they should have been taking black. They should have been killing black. That man has gone. He will never come back again. The family have lost. It's supposed to be plus, but this is minus now. It's minus. It's very touching and it's very painful. God bless you, my brother. God bless you, my God. Donald J. Trump, I'm sending this message to you direct. I beg, who go fit sabi make it pass this message, make it go America, make it go meet Donald J. Trump. That put it into law that no cop, no agency should take life again. May they pass them into all the parliament offices where you get. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you, my God, for sharing, for the love. You understand? As a world leader, you claim. Make it officially. And next time, say, no policeman should take life. Let them pass that into law. Either you black or you white, it's one love. It's one love, like this. It's one love together. Let's promote love, because God never takes soul the way we are taking soul. How long will we continue taking soul? What are we going to achieve? Okay, the policeman that kick break now, what is he going to achieve? Are they going to promote him or not? Are they going to give him excess weight by killing that innocent man? No. 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 The young man just died like that, easily. He did not fight you. He did not rob. You did not see him with gun. You did not see him with any weapon. I don't know what he must have done, but that does not warrant the killing, for goodness sake. Donald J. Trump, for me, I like you because of the power you have. By resisting different kind of attack, but you have to do the needful. If really you are a true leader, you have to do the needful. And this is where the whole world is waiting for you. Passing it to law. Make it official and passing it to law that no cop should take any souls. If they should make the mistakes, let the justice prevail. Not by brutally killing in the broad daylight. The man was screaming, shouting, I can't breathe. I need water. I need water. I can't breathe. Nobody to come to his rescue. Because he's a black man. Because he's a black man, nobody to come to his rescue. It's very touching. The world condemned this attitude. America as a great country is not, no. Not the way I'm hearing America. I know things like this have been happening silently and hopefully not. We'll be seeing it on television. But the European country never do so. Before you could see that the European country executed so, you know what it must have taken them. America, an English country, is a very stupid, is a fact, I don't know the name to prescribe it. And I want to urge all the black race in the whole world, anywhere you are, that you have to stand for your brother shoulder to shoulder so that you can move to the next level. If you are in your country, if you are in their country, please try and respect the rules of their country. Because that rules are being made before you tripped into their country. Respect the policy of their country. Follow what they have instructed. Don't disobey, don't violate, don't constitute any nuisance into their society. But the killing is condemned. And for all the good leaders of Africa who have stood up for this barbaric act, God will bless you. May you people live long. But for all the evil ones that is making their children suffering in the whole world today, your generation to generation will continue reaping this pain the innocent people are reaping. Mark these days today. Today is 2nd of June. All you, the bad leader, the black bad leaders in the whole world, who make your children passing all this pain, being molested and be humiliated, killing everywhere, woe unto you people. Your generation to generation will reap all these things you guys have sowed. Done. And the good leader of the Western world, God will bless you all. You people accommodated us, we know. You people receive us, we know. But let that love continue. We mean no harm to you people. We do not come to your country to destroy your country. We do not come to harm your citizen or to harm you all. But we have to come together. We have to unite. I bless you all for listening to this channel. I bless you all for coming in. I bless you all for your sharing and your communicating and your concern. May God continue to bless us and guide us. One love will grow. God bless you, my brothers and sisters. One love will grow. Donald Jethro, I send this message to you. Make you do the needful as the whole world is looking at you so. Go and pass into law that no cop should take any souls again in America. Go and put it into law that no soul should be taken by cops or by any agency. That anyone that will constitute, let the justice prevail on him or her. That is my stand and that is my take. God bless you all. I come in peace and I shall live in peace. I remain your humble brother, MC Talkless, one of the universe. Salute you all.